Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Arpitha. I create fashion styling, lookbooks, slow fashion and sustainable fashion related videos. Today, I am going to recreate two streetwear styles of Deepika Padukone. As we are all going out again, these looks will come in handy. And the best part is I have created these looks from the clothes in my wardrobe and I raided my husband's wardrobe as well. Without any delay, chalo, let's begin. So this is the first look I am planning to recreate. If we are looking at the silhouette of this outfit, it is clearly oversized with clean lines, sleek, minimal and relaxed feel. The top and the pant are loose, but overall look is balanced. Attention goes to the waist because of the high waist pant and the contrast colored belt. When we look at the proportions, the outfit is slightly oversized. High waist pant is making her legs look longer. The long belt going till the ankle is also making her look taller by creating that visual feel to the outfit. As I mentioned earlier, high waist pant is making her look even taller. Rolling the pant hem is making the outfit casual. She added pop of color with the belt. That's the style hack in itself. She chose black footwear to match the top. I don't have exact same outfit pieces and accessories. I picked out this t-shirt has a graphic print in the front and the lace detail here. This will be tucked in, so I'm not worried about that, but I don't want this to be seen, so I'm planning to wear it ulta. For the bottom, I have this denim joggers. In this look, she went for the loose kind of fit and it's a denim. I don't have exact same, so I'm hoping to work with this. For accessories, she is wearing something gold in the neck and some two bracelets on the hand, that's it. And hoops, I have these hoops. But for the hand, I'm thinking I'll go with these bangles, and for the neck, I have this choker. I removed the locket of it, so I think I'll use these. In this look, she wore a belt which is yellow color and which is very long. I don't have exact yellow color, but I am going to use the black colored one, and it's not too long, but I'll try and see how this works. For footwear, I generally don't wear high heel sandals and all. She's wearing some heels. I don't have exact same, but I have some sandals. These might work. These are black, so I'm thinking I'll just wear these and see. So that's for my first look. This is the second look I am planning to recreate. In this outfit, she's wearing all oversized garments. This outfit is monochrome with clean lines, sleek, effortless, minimal and casual feel to it. Again, we got that oversized silhouette. It's different from her first look. It got more loose feel to it. It's not as shaped as the first one. When we look at the proportions, the outfit has two long tops. These two lengthy items add interest to the outfit even when they're very simple pieces. This outfit is made of basic black and white pieces and denim. Still, it is a very interesting look. The denim contrasts nicely with the monochrome colors on top. The layering itself is a great styling hack. I love the structured glasses to add little attention. I've picked out some pieces from Krishna's wardrobe. This pant here is Krishna's. I wanted that boyfriend jeans kind of look. The waist doesn't fit me, but I'll manage with the belt, so I'm going with this. And it's too long for me. I just need to roll it up for the look, so I am thinking this will go well. Then for the top, she's wearing a white shirt. This one is Krishna's shirt. I have one white shirt with white buttons, but that one is exact size to me. I wanted a longer and bigger shirt, so I'm going with this. I'm ignoring the black buttons. It'll work with this. On top of that, she's wearing a black sweater, so I'm planning to wear this plain black sweater of Krishna's. She's wearing some sunglasses. I'm planning to wear these aviators. These are again Krishna's. So basically the second outfit is completely from Krishna's wardrobe, and I'm going with the same footwear again. She's wearing some nice sandals there, high heeled ones. I don't have those kind of ones. I generally don't wear them. So I'm going with these. That's about the second outfit. What do you think about these recreations? Do you like them? I wanted to show how easy it is to just pull things out and try it in a different way to get the stylish look. Now a question for you. Which outfit do you think I recreated really close to the picture? Let me know that in the comments. You can also try these kind of outfits, get inspired from any celebrity and just wear them in a different way. Don't think these garments should be only yours. You can just borrow them from your brothers, your husbands, your friends, anybody. Just try and wear them for a different feel and different look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Until my next video, bye.